Welcome back. Corey Signer joining us from the Fisherman's Market on this Friday afternoon of a long weekend. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing fabulous. Sun's shining. It's going to be a beautiful weekend.
Let's hope so. Let's hope it holds together. We missed you last month.
Yeah, I was away.
You've been busy, and that's a good thing, right?
We were getting the new shop in West Vancouver up and running.
And is it up and running now?
It's up and running. Doors are open. It's been really good. It's beautiful.
That's
beautiful
really
shop.
Great.
Right in Howe Sound, right by Horseshoe Bay.
Good.
Just gorgeous. Gorgeous
That's
place.
awesome. And also, Corey's going to be appearing on the City TV breakfast show down in Vancouver on Tuesday, our sister station. That's pretty cool as well.
They let anybody on television
Apparently,
nowadays.
Hey,
believe me, they will take anybody.
No,
when I was growing up watching City TV, there was credentials to people getting on there. Now they're just shoveling guys like me on there. But yeah, we'll be doing spot prawns in honor of the spot prawn opening that just happened. So we'll be doing spot prawns down there today. We're doing mussels here though.
Mussels.
Yeah, we're going to do mussels. We're going to talk about mussels. We're going to talk about halibut a little bit because it's halibut month as well. We're cooking mussels, though, because I like mussels, and I got to choose what we were going to cook today.
I love mussels, too. We're in a good place. It's the oysters that I'm not sure about.
Yeah, you're not an oyster lover. We've done oysters a couple times, and you passed.
Yeah.
So today, we've got some mussels, obviously on camera there. A lot of the times, people's concern, the first thing is like, oh, a lot of cleaning involved. Most of the mussels we get into the shop, you can ask your fishmonger when you come in, but they're cleaned. Now, maybe not restaurant clean, but if you're taking those home, the beards are already trimmed. They're pot ready. You give them a little rinse. So when you buy mussels from the shop and you get them home, they come in a little plastic bag. They're breathing.
Okay.
They're still breathing. They're alive. So get them out of the bag when you get home. Get them into, I put them into a bowl. Just put them in the fridge, wet paper towel on top. If you notice any of them are opening up, they're just breathing. They're not dead. People right away, oh, if my mussels are open, they're dead. Give them a little rinse with cold water. They'll shut up nice and tight for you, and they're ready to go.
Good to know.
Yeah,
okay,
so today we're doing, we're gonna cook these mussels. I've got some onions and some butter, which smell fabulous. We got that in the pan. We're gonna add about a third of a cup of some dry white wine. I got the elements figured out now. I got the heat. So we're gonna, when you're doing wine with your mussels, you want to reduce it a little bit, boil it off a little bit.
Okay.
It takes some of the sourness out when you're cooking with wine, so you want to give it a couple minutes. So we're gonna let this get nice and hot, and we want to build up as much steam as possible, and then we are gonna put our mussels in here, and essentially we're gonna steam them off. It's quick and easy. It takes like 4 or 5 minutes.
That's good, because I don't know how much time we have left in the segment. How much time do we have? We have 3 minutes.
3 minutes already?
Yeah.
Was I talking too much?
Okay, well, we can speed this up.
We're going. All right, well, here's our, look, it's this easy. I'm gonna feed everybody anyways on mussels today. So we're on super high heat now. We got our mussels. We're gonna let a little bit of steam build up. You just cover them. You can do it in a pot with a little bit of water. It's very simple. The mussels will all open up, and they're done, and they're ready to go.
What about all of these things, though?
Well, all of these things, once we steam the mussels in the white wine, we're gonna pull the mussels out, put them into the bowl, and then we'll finish our sauce. We're gonna have these recipes online. We're gonna have recipe cards in the shop. We've got a little bit of parsley, some coconut milk, and some red curry paste. You can find these at Save-On. It's super easy. It's a beautiful dish. It's easy to do, and then we'll cover the mussels with our sauce. We've got some bread to dip, and, well, we're gonna have a fantastic meal at very least.
So, I've always been told that once they open, they're ready. If they don't open, don't eat them. Is that true or not?
Yeah, correct. You know what? It's like popping popcorn. You know when you're popping popcorn and you get like 90% of it's done and you don't get the last 10% stays kernels?
Yeah. Same story.
Nature of the beast,
So don't try and pry it open, though.
Don't try to pry it open. No,
Why
if anything
is that?
doesn't open.
What's going on in there? Why didn't it open?
They're saying that it's already dead, or there's something, the muscle's dead inside.
Okay.
And it potentially could be rotten. It could make you sick, I guess. I've never seen it. I've never witnessed it. Never had it happen to me. They always open up and they're beautiful. If they're closed, you throw 1 or 2 out. Shellfish is reasonably inexpensive, so it's good. So we're steaming these guys off. While those are steaming, let everybody know out there that's watching, whole halibut sale is on right now. All the Fisherman's Markets.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a huge sale. We did like 23,000 pounds last May for the 3 stores.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's massive. So you buy a whole fish, we cut it, we fillet it, we portion it, vac pack it for you. You get a nice box of portioned meat, and you save 41% off retail.
That's great.
It's legit.
Halibut is the steak of the sea, isn't it?
It is. I think they call it the chicken of the sea.
Oh, I don't know. Is it the chicken?
I don't know. We'll call it steak. It's a hearty meal anyways, so come on down. You sign up for that. We wait for the boats to come in, and we get everything set for us.
Okay.
Our mussels are cooking away. In my defense, I was deceived. I was told that, hey, you got extra time.
I told him that.
Everybody else showed up for their segments. I'm not going to say late, but whatever, Mitch. Anyways, we never know if Mitch is going to show up. Mitch is here now. So once your mussels steam off, they're all gonna open up for you. They're done. You can go ahead and eat. You can finish the sauce off. Very, very simple.
We still have 2 minutes.
Oh, I've got time.
What do you want to do?
Oh, I'm gonna chat away. Well, this is perfect. Our mussels are starting to open up.
Good.
You can
Let's
see
get
that
the
there.
close-up. Yeah.
Yeah, get the close-up. This looks fantastic.
It's hard to tell. You can't really open it now, though, right?
No, because don't open it. It's like you gotta let the steam. Yeah, you can't see, but trust me, they're opening and they look fantastic.
They do. They look fantastic. It smells divine. That wine being reduced, I love
Oh,
that.
and they're all, yeah, I know, I'm super starving. And the wine really soaks into it. You know, I have yet to nail one of these. I'm always too early, too late, too soon. It's really difficult.
I threw you off today. I'll take ownership of this.
Good.
It was my
Thank
issue,
you.
yeah. So after these open, then you would throw this all together and put them in and off you go.
Yeah, and we're looking done here. We're gonna pull off the lid off these guys,
Okay.
and there's our beautiful mussels.
Oh boy, those smell so good. They're delish. They smell great. We'll even serve them up. There we go.
Oh yeah, everybody's starving. I can tell. I'm starving. This is always at lunchtime for me,
Yeah.
so I'm super hungry. I'm gonna make a mess on your stove here.
And you don't have to be fancy with mussels. I mean, you can put all these great things together, but
No, mussels-
garlic, butter, a little white wine.
These are not fancy. This is like the quickest, easiest, most inexpensive, fantastic meal. Get down to the market. We got 5-pound bags on special. You can pick up 5-pound bags for $35, and you can literally, like, look at that. That was only like 1.5 pounds of mussels there. Okay, so we got coconut milk going in. We've got our red curry paste going in. About a tablespoon of red curry paste.
Is that super spicy?
You know, once it kind of dissolves in, it's not super spicy. If you buy it, I wouldn't just eat it out of the can like it's spicy.
He did say he would eat it if I dared him.
I would do pretty much anything on a dare, and I pretty much have done anything on a dare. Yeah, I'm a crazy fishmonger. That's
awesome.
That's what we do. We got some fresh parsley going in. And we're gonna emulsify with
the butter.
a little bit of butter in here. And that's it. Your sauce is gonna melt down. It's gonna be fabulous. And we're gonna pour that over our mussels. We got a fresh baguette. And yeah,
Fantastic.
fresh mussels, Fisherman's Market.
You know what? Awesome.
Come on down to the shop.
Corey,
get some halibut.
always a pleasure to have you on. Look at those divine mussels there. We're just going to cook up this sauce, throw it over the top, have a little snack in a minute. Information on the screen, fishermansmarket.ca if you would like to check them out online. And we are going to take a quick break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.